Today on Tucker Time, we're going to make magic potions and crystal balls. All you need is rubbing alcohol, a funnel for filling, food coloring, mica powder, and various decorative jars. Make sure your jars have caps like this one. We found these decorative jars at the Dollar Tree, and the snow globe was in the Christmas section. We found this mica powder on Amazon. What you're going to do is fill your jar with alcohol. Make sure not to overflow it. And keep in mind, you're going to be putting the stopper back in the jar. First, fill your bottle with the rubbing alcohol. Next is our food coloring. Keep adding until you get the desired color. Next step is adding the mica powder. Very carefully take a spoonful and pour it into the jar. Next step, put the cap on, give it a good shake. Whoa. That looks amazing. Oh my goodness.
That is the amazingness of mica powder. Isn't that awesome?
Yep. This one is a little tricky because you have to hold it because it will roll. Fill it about to the rim. Remember, don't fill it all the way to the top. Now add your food coloring and don't make it too dark. Add the mica powder.
That's good.
I'm going to try adding glitter this time. Just a little shake. That's cool. It looks like falling stars. Whoa.
It's like the sun.
Actually, according to NASA's Instagram post, it looks like Venus. We decided to make it more awesome, so we added an eyeball.
Oh, he's looking right at me.
We're so obsessed, we made even more. We let them sit for a while so they settled. Ready to see the color-changing magic? Give it a little shake. Watch the magic. This is just so amazing, isn't it? Perfect kind of magic for a Harry Potter fan. We now have an entire shelf of Harry Potter potions. It's like a little galaxy. You want to know the science behind the magic potion? We use the mica powder. Mica powder is a microscopic crystal that is kind of smooth on the top and bottom. When these tiny crystals are moving in the currents of the water, they will naturally align with the turbulence. You're calling turbulence when you're shaking it. And light interacts with the mica and reflects from its surfaces. And it's reflecting a lot of light to our eyes in patterns as it tumbles from current to current. Sometimes scientists use this to show ocean currents, and it's called rheoscopic fluid. Cool, huh? I want to do something special for Halloween. I'm going to have a contest so I can give away one of these little potion bottles. What you need to do is smash the like button, go to my social media page, tag a friend in the comments of one of your favorite videos, share my video on your social media, and get 2 friends to subscribe to my channel. And if you do that, I will enter your name in the contest. And on Halloween, I will pick the winner. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye! Thanks for watching Tucker Time! I got my eye